Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these awesome little door alarms that I have here. So I got them for my son. He's about 2 and we are transitioning him into a big boy bed, and I'm just a nervous mama and I need to know when and if he's exiting the room. So these are great because they hook right onto the door. They come with these like stickers, double-sided stickers. They hook right onto the door and then the door frame, or vice versa. And it's magnetic, so when it matches, it turns off. And when the arrows aren't lined up, it goes off. I really like it because you can silence the feature, because I was a little worried about that. We go in and out of my son's room all the time. I don't want it to constantly be going off. But if you double click the button here, it will silence it. So that's really great as well. And yeah, I just think they're great. Just that added confidence really helps. We also put one on our outside door, on our porch, just for a little bit added security as well. It is loud. It'll definitely wake you up if anything's going on. So I definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.